Hello.
Hello?
Hello, is this Naveen?
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm Rashmi Gopal from Seekeras. A mock interview was scheduled for today.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Are you available at the moment?
Ma'am?
Are you available at the moment? Are you free?
Well, I don't understand. Please.
Are you free right now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Naveen, this role is for associate software for TCS. But
Okay.
before we proceed with the interview, can you tell me something about yourself and about your educational background?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Naveen, ma'am. I am from Produttur, Kadapa district, and I am completed my BTech in Electrical and Communication Engineering from Jain University, Bangalore. And I complete my 12th in Sri Chaitanya College in Vijayawada with percentage of 81%. And I complete my 10th in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Produttur, with percentage of 92%.
Okay.
And I am fresher, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about your interest in the current development trend?
Ma'am, I am searching for software, associate software, and I am little interested in business also, ma'am.
Okay. So in your resume, you have mentioned that you have just completed a small project. Can you tell me about your project?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, my project is seeds with machine learning, ma'am. Seed quality prediction. However, the good seed or bad seed, ma'am, using machine learning.
Okay.
After we check some seed, which seed is good and which seed is bad, it will tell, ma'am. That is useful for farmers, ma'am, to farming.
Okay.
Using with image processing, ma'am, it will tell.
Okay. Can you tell me what programming languages you're familiar with and which one do you prefer?
Ma'am, C++, ma'am.
Okay. So let me give you a situation and you can answer the question accordingly. Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose you are working with a team
Yeah.
and what's important when checking a team member's code? Suppose you're working in a team and on the same project you're working, okay?
Yeah.
So suppose you have to check that other person's code. So what are the points you're going to look?
Is working or not?
Okay. And
Is way of doing?
anything else?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. So what are you looking for this job in particular? What are the challenges you're looking forward to?
Ma'am, I was hard worker, ma'am. Easy to adapt, ma'am. Anything. I want to learn new things, ma'am. I am read and I like to read, ma'am. I want to learn new things.
Are you currently working on any of your personal projects on
Okay.
development or anything?
No, ma'am. For me, just a few days back only my ASM my ASM is completed, ma'am.
Okay.
And I am searching for jobs. Present, I'm searching for jobs, ma'am. And I got two, ma'am. But that time my eighth semester is not completed, ma'am. They don't given any holidays. That's why I was left that company, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose you're writing a code for a particular software and it's almost complete. So how do you assure software quality? What are the things you're going to make sure that these are the pointers which it must have to ensure that the quality of the software is really good?
No, can you tell again, ma'am?
I'll simplify.
They don't have signals.
Okay, I'll simplify my question. How do you assure software quality?
Software quality, ma'am.
Yes. What are the things you are going to consider while submitting? Suppose we have given you a task, okay, and you have written the code and everything. So like before submission, what are the things you are going to ensure that, yes, I have done all these things and now the quality of the software is good?
Yeah. My testing, planning, scripts, producers, documents, analyze the problem.
Okay. Do you enjoy working with a team or do you prefer working alone?
No, I will enjoy working with team, ma'am. And I am independent also, ma'am.
Okay, so suppose while teamwork you face some conflicts or some issues with your fellow teammate. So how will you handle that situation?
Ma'am, I will always be cool, ma'am. I don't want to be angry on anyone, ma'am. I will talk personally, ma'am, with them. If you have any conflicts like that, I will talk and I will solve issues.
Okay. What are the steps that you take or follow to keep up to date with the software development models? Because every day the technology is changing, right? Every day these new technologies are coming in. So how do you think that you are going to keep yourself updated all the time?
No, I always want to read. I want to read new things, and I want to learn new things. Then I also update day by day, ma'am. And
okay. So how do you approach setting professional goals? You might have some goals for you, right? That 5 years down the lane, you need to achieve a particular role or a particular post. So how do you approach these professional goals? How do you set them for yourself?
I was interested.
Okay. Can you tell me about some of your professional strengths that you have which will help you work better in this role?
Ma'am, I am friendly, ma'am, and I can move very freely, ma'am, with any environment. So, I can talk freely with confidence, ma'am. And I have skills to be. I have this.
Okay. What aspects of being a software developer excites you the most?
Ma'am, coding, ma'am.
Okay, coding. How do you hope to accomplish, what do you hope to accomplish within the first 3 or 4 months on this job? Suppose you get selected. So, what are the things you have in your mind that in the few months you're going to approach?
Ma'am, I want respect with all my team members and with my seniors. I want to be good in all among them, ma'am. I try to be, ma'am.
Okay, so you want to build a good rapport with your teammates and your seniors, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
Ma'am?
What are your salary expectations?
Ma'am, 3 to 4, ma'am.
3 to 4 LPA.
Yeah, is LPA.
Have you considered working as some internships or anything related to coding?
Yeah, ma'am.
So have you done any of the internships?
No, I didn't done, ma'am, because few days back my 8th semester is completed, ma'am, and I resigned after 2 jobs, ma'am, because exams is more important than that, ma'am. They didn't give all this, ma'am, during training period.
Okay.
That's why they didn't give an all this, ma'am. That's why I left that companies, ma'am.
Naveen, I have gathered all the information which I required from this call, and it was really nice talking to you. Do you have any questions from me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All the best and have a good day, Naveen.
Thank you, ma'am.
During the interview process, this candidate wasn't able to demonstrate some kind of familiarity with the technical aspects. They were applying for the role of tech associate but didn't prepare well. Their ability to show their personal values is appreciable, but they need to work on their presentation, listening, and communication skills. They showed interest in learning more about advanced technology. Before appearing for an interview, always make sure to research the role and company. Having at least the basic knowledge about the company is important. We recommend going to the company website and reading the About Us page for the overview of the company. Having the skills and knowledge for the role you choose is the most important thing while applying for a role. This was the entire video, and thank